हेलो डियर व्यूअर्स। सब लोग कैसे हैं। मैं आज आ गया दूसरा एक नया मॉडल का पेन कैमरा लेके। बहुत ज़बरदस्त वीडियो है इसका। फुल्ली क्लियर, फुल HD, 1080 इंटू 1920 रेजोल्यूशन। तो चलिए देखता हूँ क्या क्या चीज़ है इसमें। इसका साथ आता है ये बुक्स, ये मैनुअल बुक्स, एक USB केबल, चार्जिंग केबल, you can use as a data cable, and this is a pen. This full steel body, metal body, and very good quality. This is a button, power button, camera operating button. Full controlling is in this one button. Okay, and camera is here. Look, there is one hole and inside camera. Okay, and this is a cover, camera cover. If you keep like this, then cover camera. And people don't understand in this pen have any camera. Okay, if you keep down and record the video, and there is two hole. Look, you can see now. There is two hole. There is one and this one. This two is one is reset button. This one reset button, and this indicator light. Okay. And how can it open? This just rotate. Look, this is a pen site, pen sector. This now you can write. Just I show you. Okay. After close, you can close, rotate, and this close. Okay. So I want to show now how it's operate. At first you need a memory card. After you buy, you keep in charge minimum 1 hour. Okay. If your charger is 2 ampere, then you can keep 30 minutes and maximum 1 hour. After take a memory card, minimum 32 GB support. Okay, 2 GB 4 GB not support. If you use 2 GB 4 GB, you can catching only photo, but you cannot record video because this full HD camera. So you need big large storage memory card. So its minimum support maybe 8 GB. I'm not sure, but I'm using every time 32 GB because this 32 GB is support maximum DVR camera. Okay, just I put, look how I put it. Okay, just press, bus push, and this finish. Okay, now I want to on this. Look, I told you I told before, there is indicator light and this is power button. Just press 2 second. 1 2. Okay, power is coming. Now power is on, and if you want to take photo, then just one press. Look, Yes. Now catch a video, photo, still photo. Okay. Just now take a photo. Okay. Now I want to record the video. Then you need to press 2 second. 1, 2, 3 time. 2 time light is on and off, on and off. After fully off, it's mean recording start. Okay. And I will show after the video recording more quality. After minimum 5 minute need video record. And this fully steel body, metal body, so no chance for broken. Okay, now I want to stop, so I press, just single press. Then I want to stop, shut down this, then need long press. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is stop. Okay. Okay, now I want to remove the memory card. Also you can use directly this cable to connect computer, and my computer USB port is problem, so I cannot check that side. I cannot check by a cable. Okay, I am using memory card reader. Two-time light is on and off, on and off. After fully off, it means recording start. Okay. Now look the video, record video quality. And I will show after the video recording more quality. After minimum 5 minute video record. And this fully steel body, metal body, so no chance for broken. This video is inside room video and outside room video. This now start video. Okay, both video I show inside room and outside the room. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you like, you share with your friend. Thank you.